Dear friends, greetings. In the year 2000, there was a theological seminar in Sorbonne University, Paris. Many great theologians were invited. Theologians like Moltmann, Gutierrez Gustavo, and so many others were invited. And they gave different visions about the new millennium. Since I was a student in that university, I was participating in different seminars. One priest from India came and gave an inspiring talk. His name is Father Michael Amaladas. He is a Jesuit priest, he is a theologian. He was very simple, but at the same time, he inspired many people. And he started his talk with the word harmony. He spoke about the vision of future, having harmony with God, harmony with nature, harmony with people, and also harmony in oneself. That time I was very proud of being an Indian. Many different theological students and professors were eagerly listening to his talk. And he has written many books about this harmony. We have to create a world of harmony. He was not interested very much in promoting a particular religion. He was interested in bringing every people together under the kingdom of God. I was really touched by his talk, and we became good friends. Dear friends, I am grateful to him for his intellectual capacity and inspiring speeches and inspiring writings. We need a world of harmony. We see Jesus in that perspective. He wanted to bring harmony between God and people of all religions, people of all cultures. He wanted to bring all of them in one basic principle, the kingdom of God. God is our King. We are all brothers and sisters. And he wanted to give that relationships and unite people. The world today is a divided world. I am living in United States. I could see the division among the people. The division is increasing. Black, white, this culture, that culture. United States is a place that welcomes all people. I am proud of that. At the same time, the differences have to be respected. The cultures have to be understood. There are some people who are generous enough to see different cultures and to see different people in this perspective. We need a harmony. We need a harmony between our lives, and we need a harmony with God, with nature, with our neighbors, and also in ourselves, body, mind, and soul. May God bless the world with great thinking of harmony. Thank you.